Welcome to this video on the U-238 paradox. We'll explore why this heavy atom manages to survive for an incredible 4.5 billion years. Uranium-238 has 92 positive charges packed into a minuscule nucleus. Standard physics suggests the violent electric repulsion should tear it apart immediately, yet its half-life spans the Earth's history. This is the paradox we seek to understand. Standard physics views matter as individual objects, but the general emergence mechanics, or GEEM, perspective sees matter as a shared coherence field. In GEEM, U-238 persists because the geometric cost of escaping its current state is simply too expensive. A structure's existence is governed by the curvature cost of existence, as shown by this equation. It must maintain a coherent internal geometry without paying an impossible mathematical price, accounting for twisting cost, structural landscape, deformation resistance, and internal drag. High curvature cost, represented by the peak, leads to destructive hotspots and rapid failure. Conversely, a low-cost coherence basin, with its smoothly distributed curvature, allows matter to persist. U-238, with its 92 protons and 146 neutrons, is a deep collective basin. The nucleons exist in a dense, many-body wave system. Its collective configuration distributes immense internal electrical stress, preventing a critical phase gradient rupture. Unstable heavy isotopes have sharp stress concentrations and rapid failure profiles. Uranium-238, however, features a distributed curvature geometry and shared collective coherence, resulting in an extremely slow leak rate. The alpha cluster needed for decay is not a loose pebble. It is tightly woven into the nuclear coherence field. For U-238 to decay into thorium-234, the alpha cluster must violently peel itself away from the collective basin, according to the GM reality. The decay process involves three steps: the basin, the pinch, and the break. As the alpha cluster tries to separate, the geometry is locally pinched, creating a temporary, excruciatingly high-cost deformation of the nuclear geometry, known as the gradient cliff. Persistence is a universal law of boundaries. The same geometric rules that prevent a nucleus from exploding dictate how atoms bond. A chemical bond is a negotiated geometry, a shared coherence path that distributes curvature without tearing. From nuclear physics to biology, existence is a shared coherence path. Macromolecules find admissible folding landscapes, and cells survive by shielding internal gradients. Life is chemistry that has learned to keep paying for its boundary. Reality filters chaos by boundary. Randomness creates the possible, but constraint decides what remains. Matter is simply possibility forced to become self-consistent through the architecture of permissions.